Example 11, 3x over x minus 5, subtract 2x over 8x minus 40. So definitely the first thing I would do is change that to plus a minus 2x. The next thing we're going to need to do is see if these factor so we can find our least common multiple. So I notice this one has an 8 in common, so I can factor out an x minus 5. This is good because now I can find my common denominator. In order for this to fit into my common denominator, I need an x minus 5. What's missing here from here? Just the 8. So now I'm ready to go fix my numerator. What times x minus 5 gives me 8 times x minus 5, and that's an 8. So I'm going to multiply that times 8. So this gives me 24x. What did I take times this to get that? Nothing. So minus 2x gets to stay the same. So now I have 24x minus 2x, which is 22x, over 8 times x minus 5. And this one actually reduces. See how 22 is a factor and 8 is a factor, so I can see if those two reduce. They both reduce by the number 2, so it'd be 11x over 4 times x minus 5. And the only reason I can reduce is because this is 22 times x, so it's a factor. All right, the next example, b minus 2 over 3b squared plus 15b minus 72. I hope that one factors. Plus 5 times 3b minus 6. I'm going to start factoring this one. It looks the easiest. So 3 times b minus 2. Which means I hope that I have a b minus 2 over here. I'm going to start by factoring out a 3. And I'm left with b squared plus 5b minus 24. And now this part factors again. Goes to b plus 8b minus 3. All right, so we're going to have quite the denominator here. I'm going to look at the numbers first. They both have a 3, so I need a 3 here. I need a b plus 8. I need a b minus 3. And I need a b minus 2. So now I've got to go fix my numerator. I have everything I need here except for the b minus 2. So I've got to take that times b minus 2. I have the 3 and I have the b minus 2, but I need this. Alright, so this one, when I multiply it, I get b squared. This would be minus 2b, which is minus 4b, plus 4. This one, I already know that b plus 8 and b minus 3 was b squared plus 5b minus 24. So now I get plus 5b squared plus 25b minus 5 times 24, which is 70. So now I'm going to go through and put my like terms together. B squared and 5b squared is 6b squared. Negative 4b and 25b is plus 21b. And 4 and negative 70 is negative 64. All over 3 times b plus 8 times b minus 3 times b minus 2. Alright, I'll do one more with you. 4p over p squared minus p minus 2 plus 7. Let's actually make this a minus just to do something different. P squared minus 7p plus 10. Alright, first thing I would do is change this to positive and negative 7. So So then I'm going to factor so I can find my least common multiple. This factors to p minus 2 and p plus 1. This one factors to p minus 5 and p minus 2. So now I got to get my common denominator. I need a p minus 2 and a p plus 1. I don't have a p minus 5 down there, so I need that. I already have the p minus 2, so I don't need another one. So what is missing from here to here is the p minus 5. So I've got to multiply that. What is missing from here to here? Just the p plus 1. So now I'm ready to write my new numerator. 4p squared minus 20p minus 7p minus 7. So my answer is 4p squared minus 27p minus 7 over p minus 2 times p plus 1 times p minus 5.